When it comes to choosing a hairstyle, one of the key decisions is how long to keep your hair. There are pros and cons to every length, and what works best for one man may not be the right choice for another. To help you make an informed decision, let's explore the pros and cons of different hair lengths for men. Short hair. Pros. Low maintenance. Short hair requires less time and effort to wash, dry, and style. Professional appearance. A shorter haircut is often seen as more professional and can be appropriate in many workplace environments. Cooler. In hot weather, short hair is less likely to trap heat and cause discomfort or irritation. Cons. Limited styling options. With less hair to work with, there are fewer options for styling and creativity. Frequent haircuts. Short hair will need regular trims to maintain its shape and avoid becoming overgrown. Medium hair. Pros. Versatility. Medium hair offers more styling options than short hair, allowing you to switch between casual and formal looks. More texture. Medium hair has enough length to show off texture and movement, which can add interest and personality to your look. Cons. Maintenance. Medium hair requires more maintenance than short hair, both in terms of styling and regular trims to keep it at the desired length. Can be difficult to manage, depending on your hair type and texture. Medium hair may require more effort to control and style. Long hair. Pros. Unlimited styling options. Long hair offers the most styling options, ranging from sleek and polished to messy and tousled. Expressive. Long hair can be a bold statement that reflects your personality and individuality. Cons. High maintenance. Long hair requires the most time and effort to care for, including washing, conditioning, and styling. Can be impractical. Long hair can get in the way during physical activities or windy weather, making it difficult to manage. Ultimately, the pros and cons of different hair lengths will depend on your personal preferences, lifestyle, and hair type. Consider the amount of time and effort you're willing to invest in your hairstyle, as well as the image you want to project, before making a decision. With the right haircut, you can look and feel confident and stylish every day.